Hutchinson Train Show. Looking at some N scale here. Wow. This your layout, sir?
Grain elevator to corner is. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I own the camping scene down there too. Yeah.
Cool, cool. I live here in Hutchinson.
Well, you see inside there. You see there's 6 modules with black backs.
Uh-huh.
The Skyboard is black on back. We
Okay.
bought those from the Hutchinson Club.
Oh, okay. Did you guys scratch build these here? I'll be real careful. These here, did you scratch build those?
That is the Walthers N-scale kit,
Okay.
and behind it is the Walthers HO kit.
Oh, cool.
Which is actually appropriate for N-scale
Yeah.
because
The tallness of them.
the ones down further are exactly 100 feet high, which is actually accurate.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we got that 100. That mile-long elevator here,
Yeah.
and so
That's a lot of bushels.
yes, it is. And so you guys are like Wichita or
We have one guy from Hutchinson, and the other 3 of us are in Wichita.
Wichita. Okay, cool.
We've been doing this 40 years.
40 years. Cool.
Some of us.
Well, I'm 51 and I've loved trains ever since I've been little. Had Lionel, I've a little bit of Lionel, had a little bit of HO, and then I got into N-scale in 91.
So yeah, I'll be here probably for. Okay.
Was in it for a little bit. I got back out. I got the bug wanting to run RC cars, and then I got back in it in 2015 and haven't looked back.
Well, the quality has improved so much.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They don't make brass locomotives anymore because
Yeah.
plastic is so highly detailed.
Oh yeah. I've got Kato engines and some Atlas, and I've got a 4x8 table layout, and on that 4x8 it's Kato oval, and then I've got an inner oval, and I'm running like the UP, a little bit of BNSF, and my stuff is mostly sound. I got the sound units.
Oh, cool.
And I just about a month ago, I got the Union Pacific 111111 powered by our people. I'd filmed it going through here in December.
Oh, good.
And I got it, and she's got sound in her, and that's pretty cool. But I knew I thought this was going on. I thought I need to come and look and see this, and we'll move on down the line here. This is pretty sharp. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Shit back there, that's awesome. Water scene is awesome. Kansas area in trackers. Ooh, my back. New River log. That's neat. How you doing, sir? Are you part of this group too, sir?
Yeah.
Are you? I was telling that gentleman there, wow, that's cool. And this is a HO layout. Little chassis, 4301. This was pretty cool. Look at all the scenery there.
All right, thanks.
Excuse me, sir.
You're taking pictures. I'll get out of your way.
Just doing a little videoing. Oh boy, look at that mountain. Mid-Kansas model railroaders. Wow, look at this deal. That is awesome. That is awesome, 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 awesome. Taller than me for sure. Woohoo! Let's go. That's pretty sharp. That's pretty sharp. That is awesome. Man. Well, she's moving right along, Mr. John. That is pretty cool.